Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get started with Monday. Now Monday is a great project management software on which you can manage your whole team and assign tasks. Just open the Monday website and log into your account. Now go to Workplace. Now click on the three dots. Now go to Add New Workplace. It lets you create a new workspace that is for a new project. Once you're in the new project, you can actually do a lot of things with it, like marketing, social media. You can assign new tasks to new people and customize them. Isn't it great? Now I'm going to show you step by step what you can do with it. So just follow my lead. You can see all the cool work management options here. Just select any one of them. Now I'm gonna set up a single project. Hell, you can do a lot of things with it. So I won't be able to show you all the things in this short video, but you get my point. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.